We're actually on the way right now to pick up my ramps that are done. And it's a 10 by 10 foot ramp. So I'm gonna be doing some yeeting here pretty soon, do some testing. You guys, a recap what's been going on lately because I haven't made a vlog in a minute. So been working, but I've also been working on doing some test jumps here. I've also been trying to get a few other things done on the car. I got the new clutch pedal in and the new reservoir, the new Willwood set up, so that bitch is dope. It's so much better. We were driving the other day and I was banging gears too hard and I actually lost 2 of the bolts that go into the shifter. So that was a good time. But other than that, we're almost there. We got about 20 minutes till we pick it up and then we'll start testing. Y'all, so this is my man right here. He built this fucking contraption that's taking up the entire trailer. I didn't realize how big it was gonna be, so that's on me. Yeah, it's gonna be a good time though. We're gonna fucking send it. If it breaks, it's this man's fault right here. It's his fault. Don't let him lie to you, it's his fault. Ignore Jeremy in the background, but we're over here at Imperial Collision and Mechanical shooting a video. But seriously, ignore Jeremy in the back because I never know what the fuck Jeremy's doing. Jeremy's just kind of doing his own thing. So they're out there getting prepped. You're probably gonna be seeing anything, it's too bright. Look at this man. Just trying to get some behind the scenes. Look how pretty he is. Look at Paul Walker of today. He won't take his ass out though, which is kind of upsetting. But we're here, just waiting, just trying to see what the fuck's going on. I like this wrap color. Look at that thing. I think it's bad. What, Jeremy? He's taking his shirt off back there. So we got a Raptor here. I guess this is gonna be the center for the Fast and Furious shot. Fuck, I was doing front facing. You just want to say what's up? Hello. So if y'all ever want like an inexpensive way to weigh your car to actually see exactly how much your car weighs, come to one of these cat scales. Just come up, give them your plate number, and they'll weigh your car for you. It's $11, and then you can exactly get how much your thing weighs. It's weighed in now at 3,100 pounds. I'm about to call again. I'm about to do the. I took the front axle off, and I'm just weighing the back end, so I see how much the back end weighs, so I see where my split is.
Can you go a little bit back? It's not showing here.
I know, I just need to weigh the back half.
I know, but no, it's not working here. Go a little bit back and come again.
Alright, let me go back.
Can you go move from a little bit back and come again?
Go back and then come again?
Yes.
Okay. Gotta move back and then come again. Okay, how's that? Did I reset it?
No, it's not working like this.
Okay, never mind then. Thank you. Damn it. Some don't fucking work, but I got the total weight of the car. Alright, whatever. We'll figure it out. What's up, guys? So, getting the car weighed right now. We're doing a 50-50 split to see exactly where the car is going to be. So, if it's going to be super front heavy or if I need to add some weight to the rear, whatever it needs to be, let's find out now. So, we'll see what it turns out. Okay, so so the rear right now is 43, so that means the front's 57?
Yeah, 56. Because that's almost 44.
Yeah, so it's a 44. Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought.
It says 3,400 pounds and with him in it.
Picture again. Yeah, now you went to 44 in the rear. 44 too.
Oh, and look, is that Big Papa? Oh, that's Big Papa. Yes, it is. Oh, and Mama's here. Oh, goodness. Oh, you puppies are so pretty. Yes, you are. Look at y'all. Oh, my God, this is amazing, y'all. Y'all should be here. This is crazy. So we were out here yesterday. I was out here with Jeremy. I got Taz. So we were doing some testing, and we hit a little jump, and that jump was okay. But I had the rear tuned down to the softest level. So today, I've turned the clicks up about halfway, so we're probably about 60% on the dampening. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send it again today, and we're gonna see exactly how it turns out. I'm not that skeptical. Yeah, there you go. So I'm not that skeptical about it, but we're gonna see if that helps keep me from kind of going as low on that and bottoming out. That would be great. But if not, we shall see. So we're about to send it. So this is our little thing here. We've got it's just a little retention pond. There's like a school or some shit way back over there.
Man, fuck them kids, bro. Look.
But that's about what we're doing today. So hopefully, hopefully that works, but we'll see. Y'all, did y'all see that shit? That's crazy. We hit like right here, right? Wait, there's the drags, right? So you can see where it came off the hill, right? And then it didn't hit the ground again until about right over here. Woo! That shit was fun as fuck. Yeah, so that dampening in the rear is really helping. I think what I need to do is maybe make it a tad bit harder, just a tad bit. Because this right here is almost a perfect little it's perfect for me to preload correctly and then hit that bitch and send that motherfucker and just yeet it. I guess I can't cuss anymore because if this is going on YouTube.
Yeah, you want to slow down. See, learn from me. Learn from the expert over here.
Alright, y'all, so Taz is in here. I don't know, we just gonna fucking send it.
Taser Hickling. We've got grass is in my eye. I see I gotta wear shades when I'm in here. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh shit. Bro, oh no!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright, y'all, so we just did like the third send at the testing. Everything's going good, but I did notice that right here. So if you see in here, see how it's kind of like got some oil? It's coming out of this valve right here, and I do think that this right here, because I had this problem before, so I do think that maybe that needs to be like positioned to where it's at, because it looks like it's hitting the shock tower. You know, we got a good couple cents today. Taz got to go into it. You know, his face was priceless, so super excited about that.
Yeah. I just gonna ride today. I'm gonna be in the car, and it's gonna be a good time. And like, Alex is gonna like jump, and it's gonna be great. Okay, because we're in Texas. Yes.